wahine final here at the National Secondary Schools Touch Competition in Rotorua.
Just slightly different type of defence here. We see two players up from Columba there, really shutting down the options. Nice pass, a right-left again from Mātakitaki this time. But obviously they're tight in the middle, so there might be space outside. Now Columba, left to right, the famous left to right, the trend of the 2023 Nationals.
As a player, that is so encouraging to know that our referees are moving forward with us and making sure that we're getting off that line.
Here we see here, ball down, Thomas Webster.
To that spot, the number 7, Davis, gets the ball back.
Columba back with the ball. Number 4, Flutie, setting things up. Oh, there she is again. If we want to try, give it to Flutie, she'll get you one.
For sure. Defensive side on the Bunnings Warehouse replay, we see just that quickie, step back, check to the shutter.
Pretty even game in the balance, but Columba here just got on top recently. They just seem to be doing things with a little bit more speed and a little bit more direct. As we see, Wafer setting things up, goes short side, offside, the link. The number 4 from Manukura was offside. Referee calls play on.
The number 8 of Manukura waved to the ref. The number 4, in fact, signalling that she had not made the touch.
Really getting the momentum. You can see the Columba girls just backpedaling there, not really being able to get set. We see Araya set up the first one.
Scoop out a dummy. Very, very powerful scoop. A great setup coming right the way through the field. Great yards there by the whole team. Everyone had a hand to play in that try. And they will be looking to absolutely empty the tank here as they look to go down this right side. Will she have enough speed?
Iraya.
Yeah, as we see here, Maya in the Bunnings replay.
Just wanting to make sure we maintain control of this game. The number 2, short pass.
Columba seen here on the replay, gets that ball back very quickly. The step back, it was a great look. I'm sure we'll see many more attacking platforms the same as we see a very quick crossover.
Oh, what a ball, right to left from Maihi.
No words, what a right to left. I don't think I've seen one that good, that accurate today across all grades. It'll be interesting to see who they go to here as their strike player. I think they've done well in terms of sharing it around, but I'm sure the best of the best will be on as we see Murphy coming in with that quickie again, the step back. The replay, Murphy, she's so quick over the ball in 2 hands.
So good set of Ds so far from Manukura. We've got the right person with the ball, Flutie. She was definitely the key player in that first half. Going to get a quickie, going back inside, using her pace. Beautiful left to right pass. And
scored, didn't it? What a momentum shift that'll be. Columba will send out their 4 best defenders. And
Maihi and Araya, as you see Araya out there on the wing, they are probably the 2 fastest players on the field right now. Wouldn't be surprised to see. Araya going back door. Mātakitaki. Oh!
Wow. Just no words. What hands. She's been throwing them. She's been catching them.
Sometimes you'd almost want to let that through to get them disjointed. We're definitely on the 4th now. The number 10 for Manukura, spreading out to Araya. Araya beats the inside defender, was out of touch. And there it is.
There it is. Te piro hei whakamutunga I tēnei kēmu toa o tēnei whakataitai. What a game that was.
Oh, losing is terrible. Losing in a drop-off is 10 times worse.
Māori Active.